Still wearing the same clothes. Nah, we just the same video. I mean, from the last video, same outro. We made the same outro, same day, whatever. But right now we're about to head over to Kevin's house. He bought some BC coilovers for his EVO X because the ones that he has on are shot. So we're gonna go help him out. Tony already has the fronts on. With Kevin, they already did the fronts, so we're gonna go and see what's up with the rears. Is that right? Oh yeah, I'm about to go pick up Marco. Also, we just missed the exit turn.
Oh, it was back there?
It was right there. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up Marco and go see what's up. We just picked up Marco. Where we about to go?
Make sure you cover me, because my girlfriend's.
Nope. Show the chills. There you go. About to head over to Kevin's house now.
For
moral support, because they're already halfway done. It's because we just got off of work.
All right, unboxing for sure. Oh, baller. Crazy. All right. Y'all ain't supposed to see that. Oh, baller. Oh, those are nice, bro. Oh, wait, it's two. Oh, yeah, these are important. Oh, brother. All right, we're already doing the video. The boy Tony. Out here with simple, you know, it's all good. Just took this shit off, bro.
Hey, show me what's wrong with this. Hey.
Oh, that's not supposed to be,
I don't
bro.
think it's supposed to do this, bro.
Oh, shit.
You went to film sideways.
Oh.
I think you were 14.
Hey, watch it. Watch it. We just took off the other one, put the new boy on. Look at this piece of shit, bro.
Fortune Auto. Is this supposed to happen?
Fortune Auto.
Oh, damn, look at this, dude. Look at this.
They already have these bad boys on. BC coilovers. These look nice. They already done put the fronts on, so we're putting on the rears. That's what the rears got on now. Well, you can't see it, but some other brand, huh?
Yeah.
So this is why they're changing it out. This thing is broken. No good. All the grease. But yeah, and I see why he's changing all of them out. He was changing one.
People who don't
He's
know
changing.
what this is, it's a supercharger.
No, it's not. It's a coilover. But that's why he's changing. He's changing one. He's changing all four. So yeah. Now we're taking off the bolts.
Alright, make your phone.
Oh, you gotta twist this. By the way.
What you mean?
Listen. There you go.
What you know about that?
What?
Just twisting it. You need to flip the socket.
Socket?
Yes, it is. That's the socket in. There you go. Alright, so what do we do about your tie rod? You're good. You can like this.
You're supposed to leave like a bolt. Like, ow. Where you get that from?
Fucking oil it to the ground.
Alright, give us an update. What you done did?
Bolt off. We're waiting on him to take us two off and it'll come out.
Now he's taking off the bolts from the inside to take off the coilover. What you gotta say?
That hurt.
Hey,
Make sure you're not tiny.
taking it
You're
off.
really pushing on it. Are you pulling or pushing? Are you pulling or pushing?
Where is the batteries back there? Go ahead.
Did you straight something in?
It's like reaching for gold. Huh? It's like reaching for gold. It's like reaching for gold. It's like that motherfuckers at Walmart, bro. That feet fucking. Like what? Like what? Like what? Like putting their hands in their ass, bro. Or fucking reaching for gold, bro. That's what I'm doing right now. Taking off the. Hey, Tony, look.
Yeah, my back ones are so fucking easy to do. Yeah. There's just 3 bolts. The one on the bottom, the 2 on the top, that's it.
Alright, so we got the first coilover. Grab that, John. One-handed. There you go. First coilover. Out. Man, pull it out. Ow!
Hey, what about squeeze? Oh, squeeze?
There you go. Got it. Got it, Marco. Marco, you're good.
Yeah, make sure it matches the BC with me.
Alright, compare it. Hey, that one doesn't have a spring thing.
I don't want to add it.
No, that wasn't good.
I don't think it's back.
Do it.
That's hella high. You gotta have to lower it.
Fucking job. Broke my toolbox.
Why yo?
You're buying a cheap toolbox.
That ain't cheap. That thing's like old.
Yep.
And then the new one.
Oh, the old one?
Yeah, one new one and one we're trying to make a thumbnail, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Bitch.
No.
Alright, ready? Hold on, let me scoop back. Scoop back.
This was tired as shit.
Alright, ready?
There you go. There you go.
Alright, watch out. Get out the way. Get out the way. Alright, ready? Here, let me scoop back more.
Bro, you gotta back up more?
Okay, look at me. Alright, pose how you want to pose.
You go like this, bro. There you go.
Ready? Ready? Alright. Alright, we good. Yep. Alright, now put it in. Yeah, cause that's
It's stock tight right
yeah, that's stock.
We still need to put
Here, I'll do that.
them big old hands.
There you go. Alright, put it next to each other. What's going on? Alright. This much lower. We're gonna go. Alright, so I just adjusted both the coilovers and they're about to go in.
You see the BC Racing sticker?
Yeah.
That's to be facing out towards the wheel.
They're about to go in.
Huh?
Yeah, well Kevin does that. Get on the ground.
Are these all hardware?
Yeah.
Put the new one on.
Yeah. Hey, what you know about that twisting? Yeah. What you doing?
Horseman over here.
Horseman.
Hey, whoever looks at me is a horse. Hey, where you look?
Is he hose?
Whoever doesn't look at me is a horse.
Whoever doesn't look at me is a horse. What you look?
So I just took this bolt out. I'm about to take off the other bolt. And then Kevin's doing the suspension down there, so yeah, I'll reach back there. Alright, so we just did all this. And I don't know if you can see or not, but we're about to feed it. Alright. Careful. Don't scratch it. It's brand new.
Marco, you see it?
Okay, now I gotta see where the holes are.
I see it. I see it.
Okay, if you can see it, you can see it. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not going up though. Trouble's putting in the. No trouble here. No trouble here. So. Oh yeah. Oh well.
It went through.
It went through. It went through.
Alright, now you can tighten it.
There you go. Now he needs to tighten it, and then we're all set with all 4 coilovers, huh?
Yup.
BCs.
We swung.
Oh, hey. So I'm gonna talk over the video so I don't get copyrighted, but this is like the rear fitment now. We dropped it. It's good fitment, but look at the front. We're only gonna keep it a little higher because of his driveway, huh? Yeah, but other than that, it's all finished up.
What else happened?
What else?
What else y'all find?
Oh, we found we found that cracked. No boy, no. You gotta get that replaced, boy.
Where's Marco?
Where is Marco? Now we're about to go drive it. I'm about to lower the front a little bit more, so I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go drive it. We're just also I was trying to lower it, but I just couldn't. Look, you can see the imprint. It just did not want to like twist and turn, so it can lower it. But we're gonna go test drive it. We're gonna let it settle in, and let's see if it breaks in. Maybe it'll like loosen up, because I just couldn't. I had to use a rag because it started hurting my hand, but it's just really hard to twist.
Look at this place. Don't ever come here, bro.
Don't say.
They sold me a cheese. What is it? Cheese milk?
Yeah,
Patty milk?
something like that. I don't know.
And the bread was moldy, green.
What you gotta say about
And
that?
you gave me the other half.
Of course, this. Oh.
State your name and your Instagram.
Logan.
Huh?
I don't got an Insta.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, you do got.
I don't do shit on it.
All right. So it's the end of the video. What you about to say?
Man, now I got a cracked fucking header. Gotta fix my windows. Evo life.
It's another 1500.
That's another 1,500.
Hell yeah, bro. That's a lot of money. I don't have much money.
Let them know what we about to do off camera.
We're about to
Raise the rear a little bit.
Yeah, raise the rears because they be.
They doing what? They doing what?
If the
rubbing.
Mitsubishi ain't shaking, don't be. I don't know.
All right, say bye to the video.
Isn't going nowhere.
Peace out, y'all.
What you about to say? What you about to say? Subscribe, this, that, show the family,
Hey, no scrape.
presidents.
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah. All right, what you about to do now? All right, end the video.
Oh shit.
Hurry, we going.